Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this question together. We have 9 to the power of x multiplied by 27 to the power of x is equal to 300. Find the value of x. Okay, let's solve. It's a solution. 9 can be written as 3 multiplied by 3, right? That's going to give you 3 squared. And 27 would be 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and that is 3 to the power of 3. Okay, so now let's rewrite 9 as 3 to the power of 2. That's 3 squared. So we have 3 squared of to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of 3, which is 27, raised to power x is equal to 300. All right. When you have an exponent like this, when you have a to the power of x to raised to power y is the same thing as a to the power of x multiplied by y. So the powers will multiply. So let's multiply these powers now. So this becomes 3 to the power of 2x multiplied by 3 to the power of 3x is equal to 300. Okay? Another exponential rule that we will be applying here is to add these powers. For instance, when you have a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y is the same thing as a to the power of x plus y. Now you notice that the bases are the same. That is why we're adding up the powers. Okay, so let's do that. So here we'll have 3 to the power of 2x plus 3x is equal to 300. 2x plus 3x is going to give us 3 to the power of 5x, and that's equal to 300. So let's continue. The next step here is to, this is 300. The next step here is to take the log of both sides. So let's take log, we'll say, take log of both sides, all right? So when we'll do that, we'll have log 3 to the power of 5x is equal to log 300, okay? In this situation, you have an exponential rule that applies that when you have a to the power of x is the same thing as x log a. So this becomes 5x log 3 is equal to log 300. Okay, we are looking for the value of x. So we have to divide both sides by log 3. So we say divide both sides by log 3. 5x log 3 all over log 3 is equal to log 300 divided by log 3. Log 2 will cancel log 3, which is 1. 5x multiplied by 1 is going to be 5x is equal to log 300 over log 3. And we can rewrite 300 as 100 multiplied by 3, which will give you 300. So let's rewrite that. So this is 5x is equal to log 100 multiplied by 3 all over log 3. All right? So 5x is equal to, when you have multiplication, it becomes what? An addition. So it becomes log 100 plus log 3 all over log 3. Now, log 3 here is for log 100 and log 3. So we're going to split this. 5x is equal to log 100 over log 3 plus log 3 over log 3. This can cancel, we have 1. So that is 5x is equal to, I like to bring the number first, 1 plus log 100 over log 3. So if you want to do a change of base for this part, that will be log 100 base 3. So we can rewrite this as 5x is equal to 1 plus 100 base 3. That is the value of 5. This is for 5x. We are looking for the value of x. So to find the value of x, you divide both sides by 5. We have 5x over 5 is equal to 1 plus log 100 base 3 all over 5. So 5 can cancel 5. X is now 1 plus log 100 base 3 all over 5. So this is the value of our x. Okay, but don't forget, on this channel we always do verification. So let's verify our answer. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying the way I'm solving this, and drop a comment. Let me see your answer as well. So let's verify. This is our initial question. We have 9 to the power of x, which is 9 squared, 92x multiplied by 3 to the power of 3x is equal to 300. Okay, so this is 2x plus 3x is equal to 300. So 3 to the power of 5x is equal to 300. And this is the value of our x. Okay, so now we have 5 multiplied by our x is 1 plus log 100 base 3 all over 5. We are doing a check. Is it equal to 300? You can see that this 5 can cancel 5. So we are left with 3 to the power of 1 plus log 100 base 3. Is it equals to 300? So this is 3 to the power of 1 multiplied by, this is base 3 and this is a plus. So it's going to become a multiplication. It covers these two subjects. Multiplied by 3 to the power of log 100 base 3. Is it equal to 300? 3 to the power of 1 is what? 3. Multiplied by log 3, log 100 base 3 and base 3 here. The 3 will cancel, the two bases will cancel. So we're left with 100. So we see that 3 times 100 is equal to 300, and this is equal to 300. Therefore, our answer 1 plus log 100 base 3 over 5 is correct. This is our answer. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.